This is a neck phone mount, and it is really weird, and I bought one and I've used it, and we're gonna show you some footage, but yeah, talk about human ingenuity. So what you do is you put like this little ring on your phone, and this is supposed to be magnetic. We're gonna talk about how this isn't really good, but essentially you put this over your neck, and then you put your phone on it, and then you could do stuff. Whoa, as you could tell, this mount thing doesn't really work. You actually saw firsthand what I'm gonna talk about, how it sucks. But long story short, this is supposed to stay like this, and you're supposed to be able to work on stuff. And it worked for about 2 days, and then this adhesive just stopped working, which is bad because you could lose your phone. And it's really weird though, because the design of this is actually robust. Like, it is actually super, like, really well built. And this is how it works. Like, you lock yourself in, it feels really weird, and then you put it over your neck, and then you could adjust this. But like, this thing is like super well built. Like, this is amazing. But it's like they spend all this time to build an incredible like product, and the adhesive that they use on this thing right here is like dollar store stuff. Like, it doesn't even work. Like, as you could tell, my phone fell off, and unfortunately that's what happened when I was doing a POV. But what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put this over your neck, then connect it, add your phone, and then you're able to do stuff. And whenever I made a video on how to test a negative coefficient sensor, it did its job. I was like, this is amazing. It really worked. As you could tell, this video is really awesome, gives you really good perspective. But then I went into POV drive, and then I started using it, and the adhesive started going bad, and my phone started falling off. And that wasn't good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a bunch more from Amazon, and I'm gonna see if I could find one that the adhesive is good. But the concept is great because, especially for me, for POV drives, they're better than GoPros because like your phone has like a good gimbal, and also on top of that, like the audio is good. The only thing is that you want to make sure your phone stays on there. So I think this is really neat, especially if you're making videos on showing how to do something. So I'm not going to give you the link for this one because this one clearly it doesn't work. As far as adhesive, but the concept is a great idea. So we're gonna buy some more, and then we're gonna do another video, and then we're gonna tell you which one to buy. But we thought we introduce this to you and show you the neck phone mount.